Welcome back to the Python for Machine Learning series. In today's lesson, we are going to take a real data set. In this case, a MetaTrader 5 trading report, and walk through how to clean it, analyze it, and extract meaningful insights from it using Python. This is the SMC candlestick EA. It's been online since July 22, and this is the trading report. So here, as you can see, we have three problems with this data. The first one is it's irregular. Uh, Rows 1 to 6 have different column header. Then the data is repeated three times because we have it here under positions, we have it here under orders, and we have it here again under deals. So what I have done, this is the MT5 report, but I want a more detailed report. So what I have done is to write a Python code. We are going to run this code to get it's available on GitHub. You can I'm going to post the link to the code, so you can just copy it there, and we are going to run it on Google Colab. You don't need to install on your system. So uh, this is a new notebook. I'm just going to paste the code, upload the file, and the work gets done on its own. Now I'm going to run it. It's asking me to upload the trading report. You can save the trading report from your MetaTrader 4, from your MetaTrader 5. Okay, let's see the data it has returned. So, performance summary, starting equity 437, total trades 36, 18 buy, 18 sell, net profit $60, gross profits 141, gross loss 81, profit factor expected payoff, win rate 61%, 50% win rate on the buy trades, 72% on the sell trades, and average duration of trade, median, the maximum drawdown, and then we have a different. This is the absolute equity curve with the price at each of the peaks and trough. Here, this is the drawdown 11.84%, the underwater curve. So this is the distribution of trade profits. This is the cumulative profit by trade. Even though 72% of our sell trades were profitable, they only returned $15 compared to the long trades, which happened to be at 50%. And yeah, as you can see, so even though we have a 72%, so and this is profit by day of the week, profit by hour of the day, profit by per week. So here, and we have the cumulative weekly equity absolute, and the rolling win rate, and the rolling profit factor, and the monthly profits. Last month was 11.5. This month we're up 71.53%. So um, this is just a simple way to clean up messy data, and we would still continue to monitor and peruse more data from different EAs as we go down this lane of Python for machine learning. So if you have any questions, if you have any comment, just ask in the comment section, and then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.